Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences. Silver Bullet with me, Richard here. Okay, today we are looking at this question. It's a grade 11 question under this topic, molality. And we say that 30 cubic centimeter of 0.25 moles per cubic decimeter of hydrochloric acid was neutralized by 14 cubic centimeter of sodium hydroxide. The equation is given below, and they say calculate the concentration of sodium hydroxide. So when you analyze this question, what do you see? We are having this one, that is the standard, that's the known. And our unknown is this one. Why do we say known? Because it is hydrochloric acid whose concentration is known. The method, the approach we are going to use, we're not going to use the formula. We are going to go stepwise. It will be very beneficial to you as you progress to higher levels, because formulas has some limitations as you proceed. So for this case, what do we do? You have to know that you're supposed to move from known to unknown. The known is our standard, is hydrochloric acid. And when you check, what do you know about hydrochloric acid? Okay, we know the concentration, which is 0.25 moles per cubic decimeter. You know the volume. The volume is 30 cubic centimeter. Converting it to SI unit, you are going to divide it over 1000, giving you 0.03 cubic decimeter. And what are we calculating? We are calculating number of moles. Okay. So in this case, when you look at this information, what is the suitable equation to choose from here? The equation is supposed to have the 3, and the best equation is going to be C is equal to N over V, which is concentration equal to number of moles per volume. And in this case, you know our C as 0.25. And we are looking for N, which is the number of moles. But we know the volume, which is 0.03. On cross multiplying, what are we going to get? You're going to get N, giving you 0.25 times 0.03, giving you that. Yeah, that is it. So we have it. So these are the number of moles of hydrochloric acid which reacted. Okay, and that's the standard. So what are we going to do? We are now going to cross from known to unknown. Now I need to tell you that the link between known and unknown is through the equation. So if we write our equation, which is sodium hydroxide plus HCl, giving you sodium chloride plus water, and it's balanced, then you need to know something here. You need to know that what you have just calculated is hydrochloric acid, and what you are finding out is sodium hydroxide. So these are the ratios we are going to use, and the ratios are 1 to 1. Okay, What does that mean? It means this. It means that what you have here is hydrochloric acid. So if you put it here as 0.0075, if the 1 is to 1, therefore this one is also going to be 0.0075. Okay, so with this, what do we see? Now we know the number of moles of sodium hydroxide. So with this information, what do we do? You come here and list everything you know about our unknown. Our unknown is sodium hydroxide. Okay, let's check what we do about sodium hydroxide. We want concentration, so we don't know it. But now we know the number of moles which reacted, and they are 0.0075 moles. Okay, and what else do we know? We know the volume which reacted. It's here, and it is 14 cubic centimeter, which is equal to 14 over 1000, because we want it in cubic decimeter. So this one will give you 0.014 cubic decimeter. So with that information, what do we do? We go ahead and find our concentration. So the relationship we are supposed to use must be between these three: concentration, number of moles, and volume. And that one is C equals to N over V. Okay, so here, do we know N? Yes, it is 0.0075. Do we know V? Yes, it is 0.014. This one will give you the concentration of our unknown, which is sodium hydroxide. Yeah, so this is it. It is 0.5357 moles per cubic decimeter. So that is it. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. Yes, we urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share, and we promise that you will not regret. See you next time. Bye-bye.